In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your expenses in Xero by submitting an expense claim. This is an important task for organizing your financial records, ensuring accurate reporting, and ultimately keeping track of your spending habits. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to get to the main hub of your Xero account, the dashboard. From here, we'll navigate towards organizing and recording our expenses, something that every business owner or manager needs to stay on top of. Look for the main menu, which you'll find on the side of your dashboard. Locate and click on Purchases, and once you're there, select Expense. This setup is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your expense claim. When you're ready to start a new claim, you'll notice an option to New Expense or the Expense Claim button. Give that a click. Now, we'll be entering the nitty-gritty details of your expense. Start by inputting the total amount of the purchase. It's essential to ensure you enter this accurately, as this directly affects your financial records. Next, get a little descriptive. Add a brief yet informative description of the expense. A good description provides clarity and context for the purchase, which can be helpful for both current and future reference. Following that, enter the date when the purchase was made. Double-check this date so your financial timeline remains accurate and reliable. Now, it's time to categorize this expense. Use the drop-down menu to select an appropriate expense account, such as travel, meals, or office supplies. Picking the right category is important as it helps in tracking and managing different streams of expenses across your business operations. Next up, fill in the Spend At field with the vendor's name. This field is crucial as it ties the expense to a specific entity you've transacted with, further clarifying your records. After that, you'll want to attach a receipt to substantiate your claim. Click on the option that allows you to attach a file. Remember, having a receipt ready can save a lot of back and forth in case your claim is questioned. If you happen to need more time to complete or verify the details of your claim, don't worry, you have the option to save your work as a draft. Click on Save as Draft, and you can come back to it later when you have all the information you need or a moment to finalize it. Finally, once all these steps are completed and you're satisfied with the accuracy of your claim, it's time to submit it for approval. There might be a process for this depending on your organization or if you need managerial approval, but completing our steps here brings you right to the cusp of that last stage. By following these steps, you'll find that managing your expenses becomes a much smoother and organized process in Xero. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide empowers you to handle your expenses more efficiently. Catch you in the next video.